These transparent T&W same film dry erase stickers let you write and erase repeatedly while still showing the original surface underneath for a clean, unobtrusive look. With 20 individual sheets in each pack, you get ample reusable writing space for lists, reminders, and quick sketches around the home or office. The stickers adhere smoothly to desks, refrigerators, doors, walls, and other flat surfaces, turning almost any area into an instant whiteboard for planning and brainstorming. Application is straightforward since you just peel off the backing and press the sheet onto a clean surface. And once in place, it stays put without curling edges. The writing surface is smooth and glossy, so dry erase markers glide easily and wipe off cleanly without leaving heavy ghosting when maintained properly. Because they are clear, modern-looking, and easy to customize, these sheets make a thoughtful gift for students, teachers, busy families, or anyone who loves organizing visually.